Hi everyone. So today this video is going to be on the sensor replacement procedure for a GasD. You can reference this procedure in the manual on page 25. So as you can see here, we're removing the front and rear bezels to be able to access the sensor inside and remove the housing. As you can tell, we're actually removing the connector on the back. It simply pulls off. And then utilizing a Phillips screwdriver, we're going to remove all 4 screws on the front and back bezel both. As you can see, it's prying the top off. So, reaching carefully into the instrument case, grasp the black sensor connector attached to the top, and gently rock the connector from side to side and pull the connector away from the sensor. Disconnect the sensor, put that back in, and then basically reverse the process. Place the cover over the top. And reinsert the screws on the front and back bezel both. Once the screws in, just install that ring on the front and back. Plug in our terminal block, and that completes the process. We're good to go.